They're not talking about the immigrants that started coming over here en masse officially in 1619. But we know there were more that were coming over before that. And we know that there were people that were already here that became slaves. They only like to talk about one type of immigrant. They only want to like to talk about one type of migrant. And that is an insult. But we don't slow down enough on that to really actually ingest that insult well enough. And I get it. You just keep it moving. But to say that this country is a country of immigrants, unless you break that all the way down to the least common denominator you can, don't say it. Because it's an insult. Because most people think you're talking about immigrants that have come here en masse since 1965, not pre-1965.